Today, I have a great video for you that's going to save you so much time. It's going to be awesome. Okay, I know we want to get as much content out there as possible. If you follow Gary Vee like I do, he's like, get the content out, get the content out. And that's great. But we also have to think of the time it takes to produce that content. So I got some hacks today to help you when it comes to repurposing content for shorts. Okay, the first one, back in October, YouTube announced that they were going to allow their shorts to go as long as 3 minutes. Now, I want to remind you, in order for something to be considered a short, it's not just about the length of time that the video is. It's also about the format. So, if you shot a video and it was 1 minute long, but you shot it in horizontal format, it's still going to show up on the longs tab and not in the shorts tab or on the shorts shelf. So the video, in order to be considered a short now with the new YouTube rules, it must be between 1 second and 3 minutes and be shot in vertical format. So this change happened in October. If you made shorts, some vertical videos that were under 3 minutes prior to October, then they're still very likely on your longs page. If you have some of those videos that did not perform well, which a lot of times I see that they don't perform well when they're in vertical format and they're over a minute on the longs page, I recommend taking those down and simply reposting them. When you repost them now and they're under 3 minutes in vertical format, they will automatically go into the shorts page. And it's like a brand new video, and you're going to get some traction with that. So that's pretty cool. Okay, the second one is, do you have shorts that are vertical format under 3 minutes that performed really, really poorly? And I know there's some controversy about this because not everybody agrees with me, but I can just tell you from my own personal experience, I've tried this on my channels. I have another channel, and then I manage a couple of channels, and I tried this on these channels, and it works. When I get a short that maybe only gets like 5 views, when all my other shorts are getting 500, 1,000 views, and yet I had a short that bombed, okay. What I do if it has 5 views or 10 views or even 20, I will delete it and I'll repost it again with a different title. So again, maybe you're short on time. You don't have a lot of time this month to create extra content. Go through your shorts, see if there was some low performers, and then delete them and then put them back up again. But make sure you do a different title. Okay, because maybe it was the title that caused it not to be a top performer, but maybe it was just the time that it was posted. So give that a try. Okay, my next one, number 3 hack for saving time, and you should already be doing this, but just in case you're not, if you have long form videos, you can cut those up into shorts. Now, the way that I do that really saves a lot of time is by using Opus Clip. So I take the long form video, I copy and paste the link into Opus Clip. It makes some shorts for me. I review them, I make any tweaks, and then I post them. So that is a really fast and efficient way to make shorts. Now, I will caution you, Opus Clip, I like it, I use it, but sometimes it's glitchy. But like any AI, they're continually improving things and things are getting better all the time. So I still use it and I still recommend it. One more thing about the shorts. When you re-upload these shorts, do me a favor. Do not publish them all in the same day. So yes, re-upload them, keep them unscheduled, and then go back in and schedule them out. So let's say that you delete 5 shorts and you're going to repost them. Do not repost all 5 of them at once. Just upload all 5 and then schedule them out for one day, then the next day, and the next day, and the next day. YouTube has a native scheduler built in, so you can schedule these videos out. But if you push all 5 of them out at one time, they're not going to perform very well. Schedule them out, and that's how you will get the most out of your shorts. Also, before we go, I want to remind you, you should be repurposing your shorts on TikTok and Instagram and Facebook and getting the most traction from them. Okay, I hope that tip helps. I hope it's going to save you some time. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel. I love helping people win on YouTube, and we'll talk to you soon.